Hello friends, I'm Ehsan from eBangalore Property. Today we are going to see this beautiful semi-furnished apartment in Nitesh Columbus Square in Yelahanka, North Bangalore. It's a 3 BHK semi-furnished north-facing apartment measuring 1655 square feet. This is a luxurious gated community project, close to 400 families, 400 unit project in this, off International Airport Road near Bagalur Cross. Semi-furnished deal including all the interior work. The family is moving towards south, so they want to sell this apartment. At the end of the video I have included the floor plan for your reference. So in the entrance we saw the foyer area. Beautiful partition is there. Behind puja room is also there, and this is dining with crockery unit. Modern interior work. Good thing about this apartment is that it has 4 balconies including the utility area. So this is living room with TV unit and one large balcony. This is kitchen with utility area, fully modular kitchen. The apartment was occupied in 2018, so only for 2 years the owner have used this. Registration was done in December of 2017. So after that they did all the interior in the 2018 and they moved into this apartment. So very well maintained unit. This is utility area. All the balconies are facing towards the central garden, eastern side, eastern facing balcony, east side facing. It has LPG pipeline, common LPG pipeline, and as the normal with any Nitesh project, you have swimming pool, clubhouse, basketball court, garden area, everything. In the beginning of the video I showed you a few of the amenities. 3 rooms and 3 bathrooms. 2 of the rooms have attached balcony. So this is the first room we are looking at. This is a smaller room, children's room basically. It has study table, wardrobe, loft and attached balcony. UPVC sliding windows are provided. Anti-skid flooring in the balcony and the bathrooms. This is common bathroom. Standard bathrooms with wall tiles, shower, toilet, hand wash, sink. The central lobby within the central corridor actually connecting all the rooms. This is the second bedroom with attached bathroom and balcony. King size bed, wardrobes with loft. All fittings and fixtures are going to be given along with the house: lights, fans, geysers, kitchen units, everything. And furnishing is also optional if required. In fact, this is one of the biggest model units, 3 BHK units in this Nitesh project, Columbus Square project. So this is second bathroom. Now let's go to the master bedroom in the southwest corner. Again, wardrobes and attached bathroom is there. Please watch the complete video for your understanding. All other details regarding the apartment is mentioned in the description below the video. Thank you for watching this video. To subscribe our channel for latest properties.